Standard 8, Subject General Science. Lesson number 16, Reflection of Light. Solved examples. Question number first. If the reflected ray makes an angle of 60 degree with the normal, what angle must the incident ray make with the normal? Now as you can see in the diagram, the solution is given angle R is equal to 60 degree. We have to find angle I, that is angle of incidence. Now according to law of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, that is angle I is equal to angle R, but angle R is 60 degree, therefore angle I is also 60 degree. So therefore we can say that the angle formed by the incident ray with the normal is 60 degree. Question 2. If the angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray is 90 degree, what are the values of the angle of incidence and angle of reflection? Now answer. Angle between the incident ray and the reflected ray is 90 degree. This is given. That is angle I plus angle R is equal to 90 degree. Let us take this equation 1. Now according to the law of reflection, angle I is equal to angle R. Assume that this is the second equation. Now substitute angle R is equal to angle I in equation 1. We get angle I plus angle I is equal to 90 degree, that is 2I is equal to 90 degree, that is angle I is equal to 45 degree. Therefore angle of incidence and angle of reflection are 45 degree. Question number 3. The angle between the plane mirror and incident ray is 35 degree. What is the angle of incidence and angle of reflection? Answer. Line PQ is a plane mirror, ray AO is incident ray, line ON is normal, ray OR is reflected ray, angle POA is equal to 35 degree. As line ON is normal at the point of incidence, angle PON is equal to 90 degree. Angle PON is equal to angle POA plus angle AON. Therefore 90 degree is equal to 35 degree plus angle AON. So therefore angle AON is equal to 90 degree minus 35 degree. That is angle AON is equal to 55 degree. Thus the angle of incidence AON equal to 55 degree. According to the law of reflection, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Therefore the angle of refraction, that is angle BON, is also 55 degree. Therefore angle of incidence and angle of reflection both are 55 degree. So students, that's all in this video. Thank you.